Hello everyone, my name is Arshia.
And I'm Yasha.
Welcome to the sixth episode of AI over coffee.
Yeah, it's been six weeks.
Yeah, time flies, man.
Yeah.
This week we're wearing sunglasses because we're fast.
Yeah,
we're very fast.
It's sunny here. It's sunny in the middle of Christmas.
Yeah, it is. It's sunny. It's the weather's not really nice outside. All right, let's move on to the first little part that we have. It's gonna be the new Slack integration.
Yeah, FlowHunt now can connect to Slack.
We talked about it on the first week, but we weren't able to show it. But now we can officially unveil it.
Show it.
All right,
and also, we are actually doing this 1 week of 2 weeks of shipmess.
Shipmess, yeah.
Yeah, so we're shipping in Christmas. So.
Yeah.
Cool features are coming up next, but stay tuned. But right now we're just
stay tuned for custom image generation very soon.
All right. So yeah, let's just say first just explain like why did we implement this feature and why is it important. So there's a lot of SaaS products out there that in upcoming year in 2025 they're gonna be. A lot of SaaS companies are going to operate just on few employees, and they're going to use AI agents to not replace jobs, but make the jobs to do the jobs faster. And with 5 employees, you can do the job of 100 employees, right? Yeah. So that's the whole point of AI employees that are coming, and they're becoming really popular in 2025. And we're one of the platforms that you can create your AI employee in seconds with no code. Basically.
Yeah. So basically, you can have FlowHunt on your Slack, and everyone has access to it in your company.
Exactly.
So in that way, you don't really have to create a custom web page or go to the FlowHunt app or anything. It's always in your pocket. You're using Slack daily. Might as well use FlowHunt on Slack.
After integrating different AI bots in your company or in your Slack, you can think of any process that you can automate throughout time.
Okay, so the first step is you want to go to the integrations tab. Let's show them.
All right, so in integrations, you can you see here Slack already, so you can go integrate new Slack workspace. So we already have our AI over coffee workspace. We want actually a lot of AI assistants there. So one thing to mention is you have in here at the top you see other workspaces that you can connect.
You obviously have to be signed into your Slack, so it's basically going to ask for the URL. Let's show them where the URL should be. So before this page, it's going to ask for your workspace URL. Basically, you have to go on the top left where your name is, and then click on it, edit workspace, and then you can see the URL. Then you insert the URL into the web page that's opened by FlowHunt, and after that, it's going to ask you to sign into your Slack.
Yeah.
And now we can.
Yeah, and now we can go back. So now you got the AI over coffee. I choose AI over coffee, and now I allow to go forward.
All right, we successfully integrated. Now I'll show you how it's done.
All right, so now you already see in the workspace that this is integrated, and you already have different Slack workspaces. You can add new ones if you want. So now we can go forward and create our first assistant. So you can create flows to basically shape your assistant and build your whole assistant. So I will call this
Slackbot
for AI over coffee. And we'll go and create a new one. All right, so here we have Slack. So as you can see, there are already 2 components that you can use in a flow, and basically that's all what you need to.
Okay, so basically we have 2 different components. It's the Slack message received and the Slack message sent.
Yeah.
So it's basically input and output, right? So the received is the input and the send message is the output.
Yeah.
And they can be in separate workspaces or separate channels in the same workspace.
Exactly. So when you integrate FlowHunt, it connects to your whole workspace, but then you have control over which flow connects to which channel in your workspace. So in here, I choose AI over coffee workspace, and I choose ask FlowHunt as the channel.
Yeah.
You can also choose to for the bot or for the flow to execute when
it's mentioned.
When it's mentioned. Yeah.
So basically, you can add it to your general chat, and whenever anyone mentions the bot, it's gonna automatically answer the question in a thread.
Exactly. So now I connect this to AI Agent, right? And
let's give it some tools like, let's give it Google search, so it's able to search on Google.
Yeah.
And URL retriever, because Google search only retrieves URLs and it's not able to actually read the content inside the URLs, and that's where URL retriever comes into play. It's able to extract the data from those URLs found by the Google search tool.
One thing to mention is if you have your internal knowledge base, then you can connect your internal knowledge base to FlowHunt, and using document retriever, you can also make a chatbot that can answer from your internal knowledge base. So you can create a custom channel for like a separate channel for your employees that they can talk with a chatbot and then get some ideas or get some internal knowledge base answers from there. So it can also be useful for onboarding your new employees with AI employee. So and now I connect this to send Slack message. So now it can send Slack message, and I will save this flow. So also this component should be configured. So I will connect this to my workspace and connect this to the channel. Let's say ask FlowHunt, right? And also, if you want the bot to answer in the same thread, then it makes sense to check this. But if you don't want it to answer in the same thread and go on in the conversation,
new message,
as a new message, then you can uncheck that.
A chatbot like this can be very useful if you connect it to your internal documents, for example, for law firms. Where the employees can search for certain rules and regulations.
Exactly.
So you can upload a document like the law book or the bar, like law guidelines, and then it'll be able to answer it faithfully.
Yeah, company policies.
Exactly.
Anything. And also you can choose different LLMs to use for agentic systems. So that's also something that you can tweak. And now let's try it. So I'm in Ask FlowHunt workspace. The first thing you need to do is to add the bot to the workspace so that it can listen to what is happening in there. So I will say,
you just simply mention it, and then it'll ask you to add it to the channel, just like this, and then you click add on channel.
And now I say, what should I say?
Give me video ideas about AI.
Yep. And hopefully in a matter of seconds it can answer.
Of course it will. It's FlowHunt.
Yeah, it's
we are very reliable.
Yes, we are.
We are. There it is.
Okay, so you can see the answer. It answered in the same thread. These are the answers. Like,
very nice.
Here are some video ideas about AI, AI in everyday life, feature of AI.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, let's show them Live Agent and the escalation feature.
Yeah. So this is one use case that you can use Slack with AI agents to streamline your processes. But then another use case that we have seen people are using with our with the bot, in combination with the bot, is escalation. So when you have let's actually go to Live Agent website and I can show. So when you have a website, you can, let's go to Live Agent. When you have a website, you can integrate a FlowHunt chatbot in there.
Yeah.
So Live Agent is a good example that we have the bot in here, and I can ask it any questions. We have created a flow that forwards all the conversations that is happening into a specific channel, which
on
is
Slack.
On Slack, which is called Live Agent.
There it is. We asked the question, and you can see the query and the response of the bot right here on Slack.
And if I just continue with it, so that you can see, so it continues in the same thread.
Now let's blow their minds with the escalations.
Yeah. So let's say you have a customer that says, okay, I'm interested in your product. yeah, like that. So basically, you can, if you have your sales team in Slack, we can also create a flow that knows your ideal customer. So let's say I'm the ideal customer right now because I'm interested in the product. Then your sales team can come to this channel and observe whatever is happening in here. And if they identify this is an ideal customer, then they can go forward and then stop the bot from asking, from answering any question.
Yeah.
So now the human is taking over. And now if I type in anything,
the chatbot is not going to respond anymore because you stopped it. But you are able to respond straight from Slack.
Yeah.
A human can respond.
So it mentions...
Let's show them.
Yeah, it mentions the whole sales team. And now I can say, okay, I will say as a sales team, create a trial. And now right away you will be able to see in the bot that
there
the bot says, yeah, create a trial. Yeah. And now I will say how. Still like that. And now as a sales team, I decide, okay, I don't want to answer this question because this question is already in the knowledge base. So I just want the bot to take over. So I just click on this and say start bot. So now the bot will start taking over from the next conversation. So if I actually continue this and again ask the same question, then the bot will try to answer the question. So this is basically human in the loop. This is how humans and AIs can interact together in order to do a specific task. This is customer support related, but you can think of it as in your marketing team. If you have a...
Yeah, but it's very easy to use, right? It's customer support in Slack.
Yeah,
it's amazing. No external softwares, no third party anything. It's straight from Slack.
Exactly.
That's nice.
But you can think of it as streamlining all your marketing processes, right? So if you're creating a web page, you can create one AI employee that gives you an idea of what are the next blogs, and then you see it in Slack, you approve it, then it goes to the next AI employee, which creates a brief, and then next AI employee to create the blog and then publish it. So
exactly,
it's all of it from processes. Slack. Yep.
Yeah, and I'm gonna link in the description a blog that we had about what a Slackbot is. I'm gonna link that and a small little introduction article of how to do all the things that we explained in the video step by step. That'll all be in the description below. And that was it for this segment of the video. Let's move on to the product of the week now.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so the product of the week, Yasha, is Opus Clip.
All right, what's that?
It is something that we use a lot.
Okay.
Well, not a lot, but it's something that we use on a weekly basis. So basically, it's able to get YouTube video URLs, video files of any kind, Twitch stream videos, any link from Twitch, from Kick, from YouTube, doesn't matter. If it's 4 hours, doesn't matter if it's 1 hour. It'll transform your long video into a short format. So it'll create, it's a variation of different timings. You can change the timing, of course. It can go from 15 minutes to 4 minutes, depending on what platform you want to upload it to. But it'll automatically caption it, it'll zoom on the faces, it'll show the screens if it's possible. Nice. So you can see here it's a podcast with Anthony Padilla and the Smosh team. It automatically inserts stock footage, the subtitles. Nice. It'll zoom on people when they're talking and then zoom on to other people when they're talking. Yeah, all using AI. It automatically reframes everything. And the best part is it has an in-app editor. So you don't really need to like extract the if you don't like something about it, you don't need to extract it and then edit it on a external software. You simply just click on edit, and you're able to extend the video or change it, add something else. It's a one-stop shop for your short videos.
For shorts mostly, right?
Yeah, it's just for shorts. And there's been a lot of businesses around this application because there's faceless YouTube videos where There's a lot of short videos of different Twitch streamers, something that happened on the stream. They just upload the stream link, and this thing just gives them a bunch of short videos, and they upload like 100 videos a day. And
it's a cool product. But by the way, we're not
affiliated with this product. We just use it a lot, and we like it.
Love it. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. And the best part is it's free. You get 60 credits per month. It does have a watermark, but for our videos, which is like 15 minutes, it varies from 15 to 20 credits per video.
Right.
And you get 60 per month. So that's around like 3 or 4 videos.
Yeah.
That's able to generate 20 like short videos per video.
Month. Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Well,
so
cool.
10 to 20 short videos per video, which is pretty nice. And now, look at that, they're on sale apparently.
Yeah.
50%. 14 euros. That's a bargain.
True.
For the pro plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's good. This is also going to be linked in the description below as well. And that's all for this week, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. It's been the 6th week, right?
Yeah, 6th week. Wow. We're getting old, man.
1 month and a half.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and we'll see you next week.
Enjoy your New Year's.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Happy New Year's. Oh, this video is gonna be uploaded on New Year's Eve.
Oh, is it?
It is.
True,
yeah,
true.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Well, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right. See you guys next week. Ciao.
Yeah, stay tuned. There's gonna be new features coming.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
See ya.
bye. Ciao.